So in this video, it's example, it just says match each three-dimensional figure with its net. So what you have up here is you have 5, 6, 7, and 8 are all three-dimensional solids, and then you have some nets down here, and this is a matching activity. You're supposed to match the yellow three-dimensional figure with the net. So I hope you will pause the video and give it your best shot and then come back and check your answer. Okay, so this first one is a cube, and that could fold out to be this guy right here. Part 6 we know is a pyramid because this has triangle sides on this net for D. 7 is a pentagonal prism. We know that because it's not to scale obviously, but it has those pentagons here and here. And then lastly, number 8 only has the 2 triangle bases versus the pyramid had 4 triangle sides, right? So you could count those triangles and that could be your clue.